Right, you lot, are you tired of feeling sluggish and run down? Do you look in the mirror and see dull skin and tired eyes staring back at you? Then listen up, because I'm about to show you a bloody delicious way to get your health back on track. We're talking about smoothies, but not just any smoothies. These are my top 10 picks, packed full of vitamins, minerals, and enough antioxidants to make you glow from the inside out. Forget that greasy takeaway and ditch those sugary drinks, because these recipes will have you feeling like $1,000,000 in no time. First up, we've got a smoothie that's as beautiful as it is healthy. This vibrant blend of pomegranate and spinach is a bloody revelation. Pomegranates are packed with antioxidants, which are your secret weapon against those nasty free radicals that age you faster than a day-old croissant. And don't even think about skipping the spinach, you donkey. It's loaded with iron to boost your energy levels and will help keep your heart ticking like a Rolex. Next up is a smoothie that's as bright and cheerful as a summer's day. We're blending together juicy cantaloupe and crunchy carrots for a drink that's bursting with vitamin C and beta-carotene. This is your go-to for glowing skin and eyes that sparkle like diamonds. And don't even get me started on the taste. It's so fresh and delicious, you'll think you're sipping sunshine. Now it's time to detoxify and revitalize with this deep red beauty. We're combining tangy raspberries and earthy beetroot for a smoothie that's as good for your insides as it is for your taste buds. Beetroot is a total rock star when it comes to detoxing, and raspberries are packed with antioxidants to fight inflammation. Trust me, your liver will be sending you thank you notes. Get ready for a taste of the tropics with this refreshing blend. We're using juicy pineapple and crisp romaine lettuce for a smoothie that's both hydrating and packed with vitamins K and C. Pineapple is a natural digestive aid, so it's perfect after a heavy meal. And the romaine lettuce, well, it adds a satisfying crunch and a boost of nutrients. This next smoothie is a green machine that will have your immune system thanking you. We're blending together tangy kiwi and iron-rich spinach for a drink that's as delicious as it is healthy. Kiwi is a vitamin C powerhouse, which is exactly what you need to fight off those pesky colds. And the spinach? Well, it's packed with antioxidants and will help keep your energy levels up. Get ready for a smoothie that's as good for your eyes as it is for your taste buds. We're combining sweet persimmon and nutrient-packed kale for a drink that's rich in fiber and vitamin A. Persimmon is a surprisingly delicious fruit that's often overlooked, but trust me, it's a game-changer in smoothies. And kale, well, it's a nutritional powerhouse that will have you feeling your best. It's time to show your gut some love with this vibrant red smoothie. We're blending together sweet apples and crunchy red cabbage for a drink that's packed with fiber and antioxidants. Apples are a great source of prebiotics, which are essential for a healthy gut. And red cabbage, well, it's a nutritional powerhouse that's been shown to have cancer-fighting properties. Feeling tired and run down? This smoothie is about to become your new best friend. We're combining energy-boosting bananas and iron-rich Swiss chard for a drink that will have you feeling like a superhero. Bananas are a great source of potassium, which is essential for maintaining energy levels. And Swiss chard, well, it's loaded with iron to help fight fatigue and keep you going strong. Don't let the zucchini scare you off. This smoothie is surprisingly delicious and packed with antioxidants. We're blending together sweet blueberries and hydrating zucchini for a drink that's as refreshing as it is healthy. Blueberries are a nutritional powerhouse packed with antioxidants to protect your cells from damage. And zucchini, well, it adds a boost of hydration and a surprisingly creamy texture. Last but not least, we have a smoothie that's as good for your digestion as it is for your taste buds. We're combining juicy strawberries and fragrant basil for a drink that's both calming and delicious. Strawberries are a great source of fiber, which is essential for healthy digestion. And basil, well, it has anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe your stomach. There you have it, you bunch of lazy sods. 10 incredible smoothie recipes that will have you feeling like a new you. No more excuses for reaching for those processed sugary drinks. These smoothies are packed with flavor and nutrition, and they're easy to make, so go on, get blending, and let me know which one is your favorite in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more delicious and healthy recipes. Now go forth and conquer your day.